Hey everyone, good morning. In today's video, we will be discussing about the logarithmic function. Why log? What is the importance of logarithm? Is there any problem to solve the equations? So let's understand all the concepts beautifully. So first, before starting this, I want to ask you a question. Can you solve this equation? 2 to the power x is equal to 8? And the answer is yes, sir. How? Sir, 8 can be written as 2 cube. So we can write x is equal to 3. Because base are same. Base is what? 2. Right? So x is equal to 3. If I ask to solve 2 to the power x is equal to 5, then what will be your answer? Come on, try to solve it. How to solve this? Yes. The problem is here this 5 is very difficult to express in the exponent of 2. Here we easily can express 2 to the power 3. But here 5 is very difficult to write 2 to the power something. So that's why here we will take the help of logarithm. So let's understand the definition of logarithm. If a to the power x is equal to m, now you will understand later on that what is m. Just now you just think a is your 2, that is 2 to the power x, and m is your 5. Then the definition is this x is equal to log m to the base a. Let me repeat it once. X is equal to log m to the base a. M to the base a. Okay, so now can you tell me what is the solution of this? X is equal to log, tell me what is it? 5 to the base 2. Right? Okay, if I ask to solve 2 to the power x is equal to 7, then the answer will be x is equal to log 7 to the base 2. This is the way. Okay, let me just check the videos. Okay, all are correct. Alright, hope it is okay, everybody. Now let's understand what is m. Here you can see a. This a is base of the logarithm base. So first we will understand the base condition. The most important, the most and super most important is base condition, and trust me, by using this JEE 2025, one question came. It is so simple. So first understand that what is base condition. So this base, what is the base here? Base is a. This base must be greater than 0. Number one condition on base. Base must be greater than 0. And number 2, sir, greater than 0? Okay, is it okay? But a cannot be 1. A cannot be 1. So this is the base condition. And number 2, What is m? What is the condition on m? So this number m must be greater than 0. Log cannot take negative number. Reality. In real number system we are talking. So what I said? 3 conditions you must remember. 2 conditions on base, that is a greater than 0 and not is equal to 1. And what is the number condition? It must be positive. Now the thing is, why this, sir? Okay, let's take few examples. In example 1, chalo, find log 2 to the base minus 2. Since I said that base is a positive number, so let's take a contradict example. I took base as negative. Then what will happen? Let's see. So let this is equal to x. Let this is equal to x. So if this is equal to this, vice versa, a to the power x is equal to m, then we can write x is equal to this. If x is equal to this, then we can write base to the power x, a to the power x is equal to m. So here what actually you can write? Base to the power x is equal to 2. Now can you tell me a number x that is minus 2 to the power that number is equal to 2? Is it possible? Is it possible? No, sir. This is not possible. This is not possible. But if we take log 4 to the base minus 2, what is the value? So let this is equal to y. So what you will get? That is minus 2 to the power y base to the power y is equal to 4. So now tell me what is the value of y here? Minus 2 ka square is equal to 4. So we can write y is equal to 2. But what is the problem here? If I take negative base here, the answer is not possible. But here, this is possible. But we are talking generally, na? We are talking generally. Sometimes the answer is here, sometimes it is not possible. So that's why we will discard this confusion. So that's why we discard the negative base. So that is the reason. So we won't consider the negative base because sometimes we will get answer, sometimes we won't get the answer. So we have to find every time. So let's think, just discard it. Okay. Now basis 1 is not possible. Let's take an example. So let's take an example. What is log 2 to the base 1? What is log 2 to the base 1? Because I took base as 1. As I said, 1 is not possible. So let's take 1. Na? So let this is equal to x. What you will get? That 1 to the power x is equal to 2. Is it possible? Can you find the value of x so that 1 to the power something is equal to 2? No, sir. So not possible to find. Not possible to find. Let me just check your video is, you can see this or not. Let me just check once. It's okay, everything is going good. Okay, one more example here. Let's take it. That is a number condition. What I said, that you can't put a negative quantity. So let's take the negative quantity. So if I ask what is the value of log of minus 2 to the base 2. See, here I took the negative number. So if we take this as x, This implies if this is x, so what actually we can write? 2 to the power x is equal to minus 2. Now tell me, 2 to the power something cannot be negative number. It must be greater than 0. Hello. So this is also not possible. This is also not possible. So that means the base cannot be negative, base cannot be 1, and this number cannot be negative number. It must be greater than 0. Am I clear, everybody? Hope it is okay, right? Okay. So let's solve few questions on this. Hai? Alright, let's solve these two questions. The first one, let this is equal to x. We want to find the value of this. So what I told you, sir, definition is what? This to the power x is equal to what? This one. Right? So 0.01. What you can write? 1 by 100 to the power x is equal to here 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 1 by 10 square basically. So this is 10 to the power minus 2 into x, and this is actually 10 to the power minus 4. Now here base are same, base same hai, and not is equal to 1 also. So we can compare the powers, exponents. So what is x? X is equal to 2 here. Hope you understood. You solve this question and please comment the answer. Please comment the answer. I'm sure that you can do